How's everyone doing? So I have right here the Wavlink Mesh WiFi system, and I know that they've been out for a little while now, but this is the first one I've been able to pick up, and I've been wanting to pick up a mesh system for a while. And this one was pretty well priced, and so I'll just kind of jump right in. Got a little excited. I didn't get to do much of an unboxing, but as you can see, it's not terribly large. It's pretty well built. I like this little blue LED that goes around the top side to let you know that it's connected. It'll actually flash red or flash blue to let you know whether it's disconnected or trying to connect to something. And a really cool feature of this brand is that the square on top is actually touch sensitive. So if you have guests or someone coming over and they want to connect to your Wi-Fi, all you have to do is tap the top of this and it will allow for a time that you set between 30 seconds to 2 minutes, password free access, so that they don't have to worry about trying to figure out some weird password or trying to connect to it. They will actually just go, and for that I have mine set to 30 seconds, and they'll just go and click on it and it automatically lets them sync up to it. Really simple. It's really nice when you have people over and they want to suck off of your Wi-Fi. Anyway, other than that, it was super easy to set up. This is actually the peripheral. I have the main hub set up over near my TV, but they are almost identical. The main hub has a blue top to designate that it's the primary, and other than that, the back end is the same. You have a low speed output right here and then 2 high-speed outputs. Super simple. You got the reset button, or you can pair with it, and then you got the on-off switch, power port. It's a very simple setup, and it was really easy to set up on the computer itself. It took me all of 5 minutes, and the user interface for the computer was pretty well thought out. Not very difficult, nice layout. I haven't had any issues with internet speed, and so far I've been running streams on Twitch, and the wife's been watching Netflix, and we've been on our phones, and I haven't noticed any kind of massive drops or anything, so it's been really nice, especially for being a sub $100 mesh system. And we have a pretty decent sized house, and it covers our entire house, 2 floors and 4 bedrooms upstairs, so I haven't had any issues. I really like this thing. I actually have this one in the kitchen, the opposite corner of the house from the TV, and then the main router over near the TV. And I've checked my internet connection everywhere, and it's pretty steady the entire way around. You're not going to be getting some kind of like brushed aluminum or any kind of super high-tech features, but it does have beamforming, which is really nice. And it's lightweight because it's made out of plastic, but it doesn't really feel cheap. It has a nice build to it. The corners and edges are smooth, even up here. It's just a nice smooth edge. Nice rubber grips on the bottom, vents around the bottom to help with cooling. It has a nice look to it. It's very clean. You can just kind of set it somewhere in the corner or on a shelf, and it's not some big bulky object that'll get in the way or distract. And there's actually a smartphone app for it too, so that you can mess with the settings directly from your smartphone. And if for some reason you don't like this blue light or anything while it's on, you can actually sit there and turn it on and off from your smartphone, which is a nice little touch. For me, honestly, the simplicity and ease of use, coupled with this really nice one-touch guest access, plus the sub 100 price, is really what did it for me. This is definitely an excellent buy. And if you're looking to get into a mesh Wi-Fi system without spending $150, $200, $250, $300, and you want to check it out, and then you can even add more hubs if you need to, I would definitely look into this one, the Wavlink Mesh Wi-Fi system. Thank you guys for watching, and hopefully you have a good one.